We are pleased to show you the 2014 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, inside you'll find Bluetooth, trip computer, cargo net, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass, low tire pressure warning, thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.